Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to start a return on Android and Amazon Shopping app in 2026. And if you're using Android and need to return an Amazon order, the process is almost identical and very easy to iPhone. And in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to start a return in Amazon Shopping app on Android in 2026. Let's start by following these few simple steps. So before we start, the Amazon app is both available on Android and iOS devices. You can download it via the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. As you can see here, you're just going to go to the store and look for the Amazon Shopping app. Once you find it, you're going to click on Install and make sure to update the app. Now, once you're in the app, you're going to open the app and then you're going to log into your account if needed. Now, you're going to log into your account you made the orders with. And then you're going to tap your orders by clicking on your profile icon in the bottom left corner, as you can see here. And then you're going to click on your order section. Make sure to click on this section right here. And here your orders will be displayed. All the orders you made will be displayed in this section right here. As you can see, you can use this search bar to search for your orders if you have a lot of orders. Then you're going to tap on the order you want from this section right here. Then you're going to choose the option to return or replace the item. After that, you're going to choose the reason and the method. You can select a return reason, choose your preferred return method, and confirm the return. And that's it. Returning items on Android and Amazon Shopping app in 2026 takes just a few steps. Once submitted, Amazon gives clear instructions so you know exactly what to do next. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.